Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to make money using Canva. So Canva is an incredible tool for creating and stunning designs. And with a bit of creativity, you can turn those designs into a source of income. So how we can make money using Canva? First, you need to get familiar with Canva. So if you don't have an account yet, you just need to go to canva.com website, and then you just have to click on this sign up button right here at the top right. You have 5 ways on how you can sign up your account. You can continue with your Google account, Facebook account, email, or continue another way or sign up with your work email. Now, for example, once you've logged in with your account, here on Canva, you will see the dashboard where you can start creating designs. So Canva offers a wide range of templates and design tools, making it easy for anyone to create professional graphics. So one way to make money with Canva is by creating and selling some of your templates. So you can basically design templates for social media posts, resumes, business cards, and more. So start by choosing a template category, customize it with unique elements, and make it your own. So for example, here on your screen, I've just created a template. Now, once you've created your own templates, what you can need to do here is you can sell them on platforms like Etsy. So you can go to the Etsy website. So here on Etsy, you can basically use and sell all of her design templates from Canva. You can post it right here. You can sell them. So as you can see here on the website, there's a lot of graphic design here that is pretty much selling right now and getting more income. So you can basically go to this website, and also if you don't have an account yet, you just have to sign up your account. Now another way here, you can also go to this page, which is the creative market. So here in creative market, like the Etsy, here you can also sell your design templates right here that you have just created from Canva. So make sure that you log in or sign up with your account. So make sure to package your files correctly and write a compelling description to basically attract more buyers. Now, another way here to make money with Canva is by offering some of the design services. So you can create your portfolio and you can showcase your best work and share it on your social media or some of the freelance platforms. So for example, here you can basically showcase your profile to Upwork. So for example, here, as you can see my Upwork profile, I have just added some of my Canva design. And also you can also go to Fiverr. So this is a very popular platform where you can basically showcase your skill, your designs, and all your portfolio. And here you can get some of the potential clients. They can basically hire you to create custom designs for their needs. So this is the one way how you can make money. Now, print on demand is also a fantastic opportunity to monetize your Canva designs. So here, as you can see some of the samples. So design products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. So you can sell them through print on demand services such as the Printful. So for example, you have the design here, and then you can basically sell them on some of the print on demand services like here on Printful. And also you can go to Teespring, so same as the Printful, and also the website called the Redbubble. So this website basically helps you to sell your products, and these services can help you to sell all your design from Canva. So Canva's design tools make it easy for us to create eye-catching designs for your products. Now, you can also create and sell digital products such as ebooks, planners, and all of the printable art. So use Canva to design these products and you can sell them on your website or through platforms like the Gumroad. You can also sell them on Etsy. So digital products have the advantage of being sold repeatedly without additionally inventory costs. So you can also try the digital products. Now, if you're a content creator on YouTube, basically Canva can help you also to design an engaging thumbnails and channel art. Like this, for example. So you can create an eye-catching thumbnails that can attract more viewers and it can increase your ad revenue. And additionally, you can offer thumbnail design services to other YouTube creators. And also, don't forget social media graphics. So, social media graphics are in very high demand right now, and Canva is perfect for creating them. You can design posts and ads for platforms like the Instagram, like the Facebook, or this Pinterest. So, you can sell these designs as templates, or you can basically offer custom social media design services to some of the businesses and influencers. So those are the ways on how you can make money using your Canva. So you can try, so you can earn more money with your Canva. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.